We are back to playing this game. Wow.
I don't get how you survive.
Ah!
I just don't get it.
Oh, I
You
survived.
put yourself in a position where you should definitely die, and then you don't die. I don't get it. And now everything's okay. Guy runs up in here with a secret weapon against an army of dudes, and it gets one little bar away from completely dying. Then it gets maxed out.
Is that bad?
No. Fantastic.
Are you mad?
No.
Are you mad?
No. You're just the greatest of all time. Oh, this guy.
Hey, you two going to the games?
Yeah? What's it to ya?
Whoa, take it easy, Chief. I ain't looking for no trouble.
Yeah, you are.
Just an honest man looking to make an honest buck.
I sincerely doubt that.
Hey, I ain't the one trying to get into a sold-out arena. You're gonna need this levitator to get in there.
Oh, cool. That's all your racing money.
I'm so
Nice
pissed.
doing business with you again. Time for me to, relocate.
The instructions are in Blargian. Goodbye. And it says here, tab A goes into slot B. Okay, and then magnetize the graviton matrix, remove your left arm, block, and done.
You do have skills.
You know it.
Stand on the levitator pad and press X to fly. Hold down X to gain altitude.
Don't do that.
The
You're gonna
levitator
die
stops
now.
functioning when the fuel meter is empty.
Hold that. What did you?
I don't know where I'm going.
You should have plotted it. You just instantly was like, go.
Stand on the levitator
Alright, you
pad
go
and
and
press
just
X to
hold
fly.
X and up.
Hold down X
And
to
just
gain
keep going
altitude.
straight. But
The
just hold
levitator
that.
stops
Go up.
functioning when the
Hold
fuel
up. Go
meter
that
is
way.
empty.
I'm
Oh,
trying to get to that.
I won't make it.
No. Wait, you might. No. Damn, just pee. Pee lava.
P Lava. They call me Young P, man.
Stand on the levitator pad and press X to fly. Hold down X to gain altitude. The levitator stops functioning
Look
when the
back
fuel
around
meter
what
is
you
empty.
did. No. Go back to me.
Why?
I just want to know the flash.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Games.
Big game.
Right now. Just kidding. I think optional is the one where you like face those spider
Are you
things
ready for the main event?
on the wall.
Introducing one of the fiercest
Did you see
gladiators in the galaxy, Ratchet and some metal guy. They'll be lucky to survive against the toughest gladiators in the
Useless.
galaxy. Let's get it on.
First one's gonna be.
Oh. There they are. See now it's
Look at him go.
taking down. Look at this squirrel. Invincible. I hope they have this in the game. It looks so good.
Fire against fire.
I guess fireball.
Oh shit! They freaking shoot fireballs.
You know that?
No, I thought they just have flame. Yeah, I thought they only did that.
Only when you're close to it. Yeah, right. shoot.
Ah. They're shooting each other. Oh, you got the poison or acid one? See. I got boots. I want a new weapon, but on the other hand, I think I should save up. Wow, I can.
That is good too. Oh,
These last 3 weapons.
that's the trifecta right there.
Which
That'll
one?
get you through the rest of the game.
These 3?
Those 3 right there.
I just keep upgrading my lava gun then.
Gravity boots will allow you to walk or jump on any magnetic surface.
Cage match.
The arena? No.
He's massacring them.
Wow, this arena fits this gun more.
Yeah.
Wow, that was easy. Wow, this gun's taking forever.
It's also slower than the doesn't level up as fast.
Oh, really? That's mine. I thought I was doing a cage fight. Oh.
I thought you were gonna face the spirit. Keep going.
I can't.
Oh.
Oh, wait, you fighting that.
Fish, yeah, shooting bullets.
This?
7,500.
Introducing the
How
terror
do I
of
kill him?
Tarantia. It's shocking. It's amazing.
Should I use
Give it
lava?
up for the Arachnoid. Ooh, that's a stinger. Now that's
Oh, they have to get close to him.
the cosmic run.
Yeah, that goes pretty good. So you put up those mega turrets around the area. Keep maximizing the way to go.
Oh, look at him go.
Easy like Sunday morning. 360 no scope. Well, I didn't get the bolts yet.
Ratchet and the metal guy win the prize.
Don't take a hit. That means I can't use this gun.
No. The mini rocket is so good.
Ah, you cock! Fuck! Doing it again. Whoa.
Don't purchase that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What gun was it? This one?
That's the gun though.
Oh
That mini
man.
rocket. You know what? I think you should get that, and then you'll end up getting enough to get the plasma coil soon enough, anyways.
It's
It's such a good gun.
nope. Shit.
See ya.
I am doing that mission now. Guys. Yeah, go Jacob. Woo! You heard that? Those are the fans talking. Wait, where's Quicksilver? What gun should I
Get rid of
take?
that top one. You will never
This?
use that again. Yeah.
Really? Huh? How do I use it? Like, whoa.
That's what I'm using. Baby.
Okay, trying this one more damn time. At
Alright.
least I'm getting bolts in the meantime.
He's gonna try it off screen though, because he dies all the time. And we'll be back.